It feels nice to be here after a long day. The weather is so calm.
Yeah, it really is. I needed this walk today. My mind is getting too heavy.
Same here. Work has been exhausting lately. Sometimes I feel like the day never ends.
I know what you mean. You wake up, rush to work, deal with pressure, and suddenly it's night.
Exactly. And then you wonder where the whole day went.
That's why I like evening walks. They slow things down a little.
I agree. Walking like this makes me feel more present. Like I can finally breathe.
Look at the trees. They don't rush. They just stand there quietly.
I wish life was that simple. No deadlines, no targets, no stress.
True, but maybe we complicate things ourselves sometimes.
Maybe. But responsibilities don't really give us a choice.
That's true. Still, moments like this remind me why balance matters.
You're right. If we don't take breaks, we slowly burn out.
Have you noticed how peaceful this garden becomes in the evening?
Yes. The noise fades and everything feels softer.
I like coming here at this time. It helps me reflect
Reflect on what?
on life, on where I am and where I want to go.
Do you feel lost sometimes?
Honestly, yes, more often than I admit.
I feel the same. Sometimes I'm not even sure if I'm moving in the right direction.
That fear never really goes away, does it?
No. But walking and talking like this makes it feel lighter.
I think conversations help more than people realize.
Especially honest ones.
Exactly. No pretending, no pressure.
Just two people sharing thoughts.
When I was younger, I thought adulthood would be easier.
Same. I thought adults had everything figured out.
Turns out we're just older kids with more worries.
And more bills.
Definitely more bills.
But at least we learn to appreciate small things.
Like this walk.
Like this silence.
And moments where nothing is expected of us.
Do you ever think about changing your routine?
All the time, but change feels risky.
True. But staying stuck feels risky too.
That's a good point.
Sometimes I think growth only happens when we're uncomfortable.
I believe that too. Comfort can slow us down.
Still, I wish growth didn't feel so tiring.
Yet growth asks for patience.
And courage.
You're more courageous than you think.
You really believe that?
I do. You keep moving forward even when things are hard.
That means a lot to hear.
I'm glad. We don't say encouraging things enough.
People assume others already know.
But hearing it out loud changes everything.
Look, the sky is turning orange.
Sunsets always feel like quiet reminders.
Reminders of what?
That endings can be beautiful too.
That's a comforting thought.
It is, especially on difficult days.
I'm glad we came here today.
Me too. This walk was exactly what I needed.
Let's do this more often. Sometimes a few minutes are enough.
As long as they're meaningful.
Thank you for walking with me.
Thank you for sharing this moment.
Ready to head back?
Yeah, but let's walk slowly.
No rush.
No rush at all.